Today, we're going to compare the ease and simplicity of building with Knauf metal stud partitions. Building a metal stud partition wall is up to 4 times faster than erecting a timber stud wall. Let's show you how. To build a metal stud partition wall, the tools required are snips, spirit level, screw gun, fixings, pencil and a tape measure. We start by fixing the U-channel to the ceiling. We then fit a C-stud to the back wall, ensuring it is level, and fix a U-channel to the floor. Again, making sure it is level to the wall and ceiling track. Insert C-studs to the U-channel and twist into place. C-studs should be at 600mm centres. Check studs are plumb and level, then it's job done. There you have it. Not only is building a metal partition quicker, but the metal studs are also lighter and easier to handle. They won't warp or twist, it will not suffer from any wet or dry rot, and in the event of a fire, it will not burn as quickly. When used as part of a full Knauf system, these partitions are covered by the Knauf System Performance Warranty, giving you complete peace of mind. For more top tips on Knauf metal profiles or any other Knauf products or systems, please visit our website, knauf.co.uk.